Hello everyone, welcome back to our online class. Today we are going to check a new poem. The name of the poem is When I Set Out for Lyonnesse. As a young apprentice architect, British poet and novelist Thomas Hardy once visited a parish to supervise the restoration of a church. On his return from the parish, people noticed two things about him: a new glow in his eyes and a crumpled piece of paper sticking out of his coat pocket. That paper, it is recorded in one of his biographies, contained the draft of a poem. You are going to read that very poem inspired by a visit to a place which the poet calls Lyonnesse. So he visited a parish in a church, and what happened there? Something happened there. When he came out from there, people noticed some glow in his eyes and a piece of paper in his coat pocket. So it is recorded that in that paper, the draft of the poem which we are going to learn now, that poem was there. In one of his biographies, it was recorded. So name of the poem is When I Set Out for Lyonnesse. Lyonnesse, the meaning of Lyonnesse is given in backside of your textbook. It is there. An Arthurian legend. In Arthurian legend, the mythical birthplace of Sir Tristram in England, believed to have been submerged by the sea. Here an imaginary place. So Lyonnesse is a place, is the mythical birthplace of Sir Tristram in England. So it was believed that that place was submerged by the sea. So in this poem, it is used as an imaginary place. So let's go to the poem. When I set out for when I set out for Lyonnesse, don't say it is Lyonnesse. The pronunciation is Lyonnesse. When I set out for Lyonnesse, 100 miles away, the rime was on the spray, and starlight lit my lonesomeness. When I set out for Lyonnesse, 100 miles away. So rime means frost. So the poet set out for Lyonnesse. It was 100 miles away. So he was going alone. In that time, frost was spraying, snow was there, and the starlight was there. Stars were lighting on his lonesomeness. That means he was alone in that time. So he was going to a place called Lyonnesse. It was 100 miles away from there. What would be chance at Lyonnesse while I should sojourn there? No prophet dost declare, nor did the wisest wizard guess. What would be chance at Lyonnesse while I should sojourn there? So it says, second stanza, what says? What would be chance there? What I can meet there at Lyonnesse? So when I should sojourn means a short stay. Now prophet dust means died. So its meaning is given there. All the meanings are given in the backside. Dust is there, poetic word of died. By chance happen to what's chance to happen? So when nobody, wizard means a magical skilled person. So he says that when he reached there, what will happen there? Nobody said about that. No prophet declare about what he'll meet there. At the same time, wizards also didn't guess what he will see there, what will happen there when he reached there. When he was saying a short stay at the Lyonnesse, what will happen there? Nobody said about that. So nobody knows what is going to happen there. When he reached at the Lyonnesse, what he will meet, what will happen to him, what are things he was going to see there. No prophet was declare about that, and wizards also, none of the wisest wizard also guess about these things. So nobody knows what will happen in that place. So let's go to the last stanza. When I returned from Lyonnesse with magic in my eyes, all marked with mute surmise, my radiance rare and fathomless. When I returned from Lyonnesse with magic in my eyes. So when he returned from that, when he came out of the Lyonnesse, there was magic in his eyes, all marked with mute surmise. Mute means without talking. Surmise, a guess or a suspicion, a thought. So everyone guessed, everyone thought. What they thought? The radiance. Radiance means the glow. The radiance in his eyes are rare. The glow in his eyes are rare. At the same time, fathomless. Fathomless means the meaning is given. The words are so deep that the depth can't be measured. So nobody can understand it. what is the depth of that glow. So when I returned from Lyonnesse with magic in my eyes. It was written by Thomas Hardy. Remember. So Thomas Hardy visited a place called Paris. He said it as Lyonnesse. Then nobody know what will happen there. When he was going, he was alone, going alone, and it was night time. Frost was there, stars were there. When he reached there, when he staying there, no prophets also didn't say what will happen to him when he was staying there, and the wisest wizards also didn't say about that. But when he came out, there was a rare glow in his eyes. It was deep. Nobody can understand the depth of that radius of that glow. Okay, so let's check the question answers. So what is the first question there? In the first stanza, find words that show that it was very cold. Which is the word which shows that it was very cold, that it was late evening, that the traveler was alone. So you can find out what is there, that it was very cold. It was given there rhyme, isn't it? It was very cold. Is given there the word rhyme. The word is next one. It was late evening. Starlight is there. Then that the traveler was alone. Lonesomeness. Isn't it? So in the first stanza itself, you can see these three words. Rhyme, starlight, and lonesomeness. Now check the second question. What is the second question there? Something happened at Lyonnesse. It was improbable, impossible, unforeseeable. That was unforeseeable because unforeseeable. Answer is third one, C, unforeseeable. Nobody can see it. Nobody can guess it, isn't it? Pick out 2 lines for stanza 2 to justify your answer. 2 lines. Pick out 2 lines for stanza 2 to justify. That is that. What is that? No prophet does declare, nor did the wisest wizard guess. That 2 lines are there. So third one, first one. Read the stanza 3 that implies the following. Everyone noticed something and they made guesses but didn't speak a word. What is that? It was given there. All marked with mute surmises. My radiance rare are fathomless. See, the third stanza it was given there. All marked with mute surmise. That is there. Okay. So last one. Now read the line that refers that they to what they noticed. What they noticed? What they noticed there? They noticed the next line. His radiance rare and fathomless. My radiance rare and fathomless. That was the line that everyone noticed. Okay. Now read the line that refers to what they noticed. They noticed his radiance rare and fathomless. So here we are winding up our class. So if you have any doubt about this chapter, you can ask it in the comment box. So here we all finished it. There's a small box there, springtime. You can read that one. It's a very small thing. So let's wind up our class. If you have doubts, you can ask it in the comment box. Okay. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.